we have here a 3rd generation 4runner, and I have the owner here, and basically he wants me to install a Rockslider for him, and so this is the bad boy right here. It comes with a kick out. Show you, that's the kick out, and so I built it for him, and so that's how the bad boy looks like. And basically I'll show you. We're going to be installing it. I've already grinded the frame up for preparation, and so right now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there, tack it on, and then weld it on. So this is the SR5 version. So you see the whatchamacallit, the flare right there. It comes a little bit down, and so what I did, okay, was I chopped it up a little bit here to make room for the Rockslider. Okay, so that's just with the SR5 flares. For some reason, Toyota 4runners comes with 3 different flares, and the SR5s has 2 type of flare. This is the first flare. The second flare just goes right here, okay, and then the limited flare is totally different from here, and so that's what you have. I noticed that that's with the Toyota 4runners. So that's my 4runner right there, and the flare is different. You can see there. Here the flare is smaller, and it goes all the way down. Mine, it doesn't do that. So that's just weird on how 4runner does. I mean, on how Toyota builds the flares. So, anywho, that's what we're doing. We are gonna be installing this set of Rocksliders onto this 4runner, and so I'll show you how it looks like after it is done. Okay. All right, YouTube. So this is for a 3rd generation 4runner. It's got a kick out. She's ready to be mocked on for fitment purposes. You can see here, it's not welded on yet. It's tacked on. Once we're sure that it fits, we're gonna burn it in, make it a complete unit, and then after that, we are gonna weld it onto the truck. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so she's all done, and what we're gonna do here is we are going to do a maiden test on this bad boy right here. Basically, he is the owner, and you want to tell him your name?
What's up, guys? Marcus.
Marcus, and Marcus is gonna pump this up. Basically, we're mimicking a flat, and so basically, there it goes. It's up. Okay, it's up, and there you go. Now try to open the window, the door. It should open. Yep. How many finger space do you still have?
Like 2.5.
Yep, 2.5 finger space. How about the rear? Yep.
About the same thing.
Yes, sir. So she's pretty sturdy, huh?
Yeah.
So what we're doing here is we're mimicking a flat tire, and because this truck is so tall, chances are its original bottle jack or scissor jack will not successfully lift this truck up to do a tire change. So if he has a high lift jack, basically Marcus can put it right on the outer rail of the Rockslider, and it'll jack up his truck.
bao tia cũng trong nó, để cho có trái của ta tao cụt lũ nên chúa lần thọ có đua cụ chạy tê em cho cụ nhóm mùa kề yo có bao tiêu cụ chôm nó để cho có dài buốt tao cùng nên hót lên mùa tình nghĩa của sự sinh trao từ ta chiều cùng tình lên nhau quá cha có buổi người tu cu có buổi người cho cu nhỏ mùa kề son tràn cũng mơ mơ lên mùa vì cu chỉ cho lên tiền lại nghĩa cô xin nghĩa mùa nghĩa chiều cô tin lên nhau ăn chua yo cô chỉ mua có lại chiều cô nó tua sớm buồn nhau ăn bền có bao tiêu